Hello everyone. Today we will make Instagram lower third animation of a new way, from Alight Motion. Let's show the preview of animation first.
Audio Jungle.
I have given the XML preset file of Instagram lower third animation, link in description, where you can download. After downloading XML preset is to import in Alight Motion. Then you have to open Alight Motion app. Just now let's change some things in this lower third animation. Then let's do change. First of all you have to enter the username of your Instagram, which is quite easy. Then you have to adjust the username well. So we have completed these steps. Now we go to the next step, in which we have to put profile photo or logo of your Instagram account. After logo, and you have to keep it a little smaller than the circle of background. If you wish, you can change the color of this background circle. Now we go to your last step. For this you have to record your Instagram account screen video. Then it is added to that video here. After add video, it is also to adjust it well. So now I've become an Instagram lower third animation of all of us. Then it is to be export. I hope you have liked today's video. I will try my best to upload at least 2 videos in 1 week. So now we meet in the next video.